So first we have to go to color backgrounds. Ensure that you pick the first one, which is transparent. You get something like this. Then we're gonna go all the way to stickers. You're gonna search anything you want in the search bar, anything. There's a lot of stickers on this app. There's a lot you can choose from, but I'll be searching for melanin. I'll be choosing my own stickers. I was gonna choose this offer one, but it wasn't giving me that much of a vibe, so I decided to change it to this one. We're waiting for it to download. Now we're going to adjust the sticker to how we want it, and I am just going to go all the way to adjust. After I reset it to how I want it, I'm going to shadow and I'm going to lower the blur and the opacity. Okay, so now I have something like that. I'm going to resize it to how I want it and go back into stickers. I'm going to search for something to add to it to bring more looks and feeling. So I was thinking about makeup, and I did change my mind after because I wasn't feeling it, and I was searching for something that would give me that vibe, but I decided to change it to something that I'm more comfortable with. Guys, beware, it is about 10:41 p.m. in the night, so I decided to search for something else. So I searched for a pink splash. I'll get different type of thing, and I could choose whatever I like, whatever suits my taste. So I decided to choose the circle one. It's pretty, it's glittery, it's nice, and I'm just going to fix it to how I want it. The reason why I duplicate too, because I put the melanin sticker before, and before the circle glittery thing, and it wouldn't go behind it, so I had to duplicate one and delete the next. And now I'm gonna adjust it properly to the way I like. Okay, so once I get it to how I like and fix it in the manner which I like best, okay, I am just going to continue fixing it, fixing it. Then I was going to add something else. Okay, I was going to add something else like a butterfly or something like that, but I decided to not use the butterfly after because it's going to be overcrowded, and I don't want my logo or whatever to be overcrowded. Guys, bear in mind that this is a very simple logo. I could do extreme logos, like using Ibis Paintex to do extreme designs, whatever. It's superb. I'm going to press save. Okay, once I'm done and I press save, you're gonna automatically go to your gallery. I'm gonna use Fonto for the text and for my writing, for my business name, whatever. This is just a minor example. I have something that the text matters. The text matters. So here I'm writing melanin. I'm gonna go in my fonts and search for the font that I want. I chose the market_deco, if it pronounces like that, and I'm going to enlarge the text, and I'm going to put it in black. Guys, trust me, this is very pretty. When it's done, it's going to be beautiful. Okay, now remember what I told you guys, that text size matters. Now here I'm gonna write beauty. I just write what comes to mind. So I'm gonna use the I didn't see the name properly, but that text, I'm gonna put it below, just to below it, and enlarging it so it gives that beautiful look. So see, it's coming on pretty good, as you guys can see here. So I'm gonna type in another thing and search for a nice font that would go beautifully with it. Guys, comment more things that I should do. I know this channel will not blow up too fast, but I'm trying. So I'm trying to find fonts that suits well with the word products. So I found one. It's coming out nicely. Now I'm gonna find something to go around my logo. Okay, so please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more, because I am very talented when it comes to graphics. So now I'm gonna write something to go in the right look for pretty melanin. I'm making things from the top of my head. I am just going to, put it the curve as to how I want it. And I think I will adjust the size a little bit, but no, it's not working for me. So I'm gonna go and adjust the spacing so that it will widen around the logo. It looks nice. It looks really nice, right? But I love perfection, so I'll go to the extreme for perfection rather. Basically, so once I choose my font and everything is in its place as to how I want it, I keep searching for fonts that will suit better for this logo. Guys, please remember to watch my other videos. You can go and watch my login screen tutorial video. It's gonna be right here. Link will be in the bio, guys. And you can go watch my editing 3 levels of editing video. Right now it'll be right here on the screen. Please go and check it out, guys. Now that when I'm done, I'm gonna press save and say as PNG. I'm sorry, you saved the image as PNG. You have to save it as PNG. Now we're back into PicsArt, and I'm going to show you an example. You can put it on posters, you can put anything, but I'm showing an example. I'm going to use a white background, and I'm just going to find our logo that we made. Guys, it is very beautiful. It is very nice, and I really like this. I feel like I would use this, but this is just a minor example on how to make your logos, and this is very simple and this is very easy, guys. You can try it too. It is very simple and it is very easy. So I'm gonna adjust it just to show you an example. You can put it on posters, flyers, videos, anything, any designs you make and you want your logo on it, you name it, you can put your logo there. Because this logo looks better than my official logo, guys. So I need you guys to spam me with ideas. This is my logo. I'm gonna put my logo. Since I made these, I put my logo in between. But guys, you can do some watermark things so that people won't steal their things. Okay, so I'm gonna put my personal logo here because I made it. And I want to thank you guys for watching. I think we've made it to the end of the video, and I'll be showing the results before and after.